Were you planning to hit the nearest fast food restaurant? Make sure you watch this video before you order your regular sandwich loaded with calories and chemicals. Moreover, you are probably not aware of the fact that your favorite juicy burger may contain crushed beetles or duck feathers. We have listed some of the most disgusting additives you eat every time you have your fast food meal. 1. Ammonium sulfate. It seems as if nothing helps mass-produced bread more than ammonium sulfate. On the other hand, unfortunately, there is nothing that fertilizes soil or kills bugs like it either. 2. Silicone oil. Laboratory tests have shown that chicken McNuggets contain large amounts of dimethylpolysiloxane. It is a silicone oil that is often used in the production of contact lenses and other medical items. 3. Cysteine. When making their delicious meals, fast food restaurants use cysteine, an amino acid that is synthesized from human hair or duck feathers. Wonder why? This amino acid is supposed to flavor the meat and soften the bread and pastries. 4. TBHQ. TBHQ is an additive contained in 18 McDonald's delicacies. Studies have proven it to be potentially lethal, but the FDA claims it to be generally regarded as safe. GRES. 5. Propylene glycol. This is a chemical compound contained in antifreeze, e-cigarettes, and voila, fast food. 6. Prescription drugs. A group of researchers from the Johns Hopkins University tested feathers and found some interesting facts about factory farm-raised poultry. You most probably think that the pink slime scandal is the most terrible thing, right? Antidepressants and other drugs are often added to the food given to chicken raised for fast food poultry items. Chicken juicy sandwiches and McNuggets contain chicken fed with prescription drugs, and some of them are even banned. 7. Dimethylpolysiloxane. Almost every fried fast food item contains dimethylpolysiloxane, and it is also found in silly putty, contact lenses, caulking, shampoos and conditioners, cosmetics, polishes, heat-resistant tiles, and the list does not end here. 8. Carminic acid. It is synthesized by cochineal beetles, and its role is to dye foods red, especially meat. 9. Cellulose. Almost every fast food menu item contains this organic compound produced from wood pulp. 10. Silicon dioxide. The industrial sand is used in Wendy's chili and other items to keep them from clumping together. Do you find industrial sand yummy? These and many more chemicals contained in fast food meals should raise your awareness that cooking your own food is the best thing you can do for yourself. If you can't afford it, you can at least try to grow your own organic foods. Have you ever considered apartment gardening as an idea? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and family.